guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this nykaa parcel. Yay! Guys, I'm going to be unboxing this nykaa parcel and I received this today. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. So I'm just going to be unboxing this. I'm so excited. Actually, where it opens. It actually received me in 3 days, just 3 days. Okay, let me just. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm a person who gets so much excited to unbox anything, guys. Okay. So this is how it comes. So inside we got something here. This is the nykaa total amount, that paper, everything which I got, the prices and all. Okay, so inside we have a bubble wrap. I love to play with this. Oh my gosh. So let's take out our first thing. So I'm going to be taking this. So this is what we got. So let's open this one first out. So this is very nice packaging, guys. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered is this healthy with active charcoal mask, purifying peel off mask, and cleanses pores for man and woman. So this is the first item. First let me open all the things, guys, then I'm going to be showing you all these things. So here we have the second item. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just going to be cutting it out. Oh. Okay, so here we have the second item that I ordered is this Mabelline New York White Super Fresh Compact. And the third thing, oh my god, this is the pack Artist Cosmetics eyelashes. I'm like, oh my god, just look, take a look on these lashes, guys, so amazing. So these are the three things that I ordered. So let's start off with this active charcoal face. So the packaging is something like this, and this retails rupees is 228, and this is the step how to use it here, and this is 50 grams. So it comes in a cardboard box. What? In this much big package we got this. Okay, so here we have the charcoal mask. We need to open, just undo it. So this is the first thing. Now let's go for the second white super fresh compact, and this retails for rupees 140. So this is the Maybelline New York. Whoa, whoa. And this is in the shade Marble. And this is so good. I'm just obsessed with this compact, guys. We have a cute mirror, and here we have the item. So good. And the last and final thing, oh my god, finally I got this pack lashes. Oh god. Okay, so this pack eyelashes retails for rupees, here he says 175, but it's actually for, yeah, it's for rupees 175. And here is the instructions to use. So I'm just going to open these lashes out. Just okay. Come on, get out. Oh my goodness. So this comes something like this. Oh my god, guys, this is such, I'm like, oh, focus, man, focus. This is the lashes. Okay, so I'm just going to keep everything back. So guys, these are the 3 items which I ordered from Nykaa, and the total package retails me for 350. Yes, then so if you want me to do more unboxing videos, please comment down below, and make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share, and make sure to watch my last video, which was me now through lip liners. And bye guys.